a twice-recognized U.S. Department of Education National Blue Ribbon School of Excellence and proud of our commitment to provide a top-rated academic experience as well as a safe learning environment centered in Catholic faith. CJB welcomes students in 3-year-old pre-K through 8th grade with a focus on developing each student's spiritual, intellectual, emotional, creative, physical, and social needs. We are dedicated to designing an individual program of success, which includes opportunities to challenge and enrich talents, strategies to compensate for weaknesses, and programs designed to give children the skills to succeed in the 21st century. Additionally, through fair, firm, and consistent discipline, children grow in responsible decision-making and self-respect. The focus of the Cardinal Joseph Bernardine Catholic School experience is to motivate students to become self-confident, lifelong learners while becoming responsible members of their community who are able to interact with people of all races and nationalities as they go out into the world. Through the example of our staff and the daily experiences of the curriculum, children learn the truths of our faith, participate in parish life, experience a variety of liturgies, and respond to the call of service to those in need. CJB offers cutting-edge technology along with differentiated instruction guided by NWEA MAP benchmarking. We have an inclusive education center with an inclusive education director. We offer Spanish, chorus, band, music, art, physical education, and a library media center for student broadcasts and media productions. Extracurricular activities include our 6th sport athletic program, chess, cheerleading, Suzuki violin lessons, STEM, robotics, technology, kindness club, and a sign language club. We are proud that on average, 35% of CJB graduates have been recognized as Illinois State Scholars each year, while 11 CJB alumni have been named High School Valedictorian or Salutatorian since 2007. From academics to athletics, from faculty to facilities, from before to after school care, CJB is the Blue Ribbon School of choice. For more information or to register online, visit cjbschool.org. Every day is a great day to be a Cardinal.